Good afternoon. It's April the 19th, 2018. Time to wrap it up for today and take a look at tomorrow. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have been overcompensated for the impact of any certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, we came in today expecting a trading range. The market was down, able to ride it into this area right here, and we were able to get in and make a little loot on that trade. The shorts came from way back here before the market opened. This mean green trade right up here, we ducked because we were already in a trade right here. This retest failure, I don't believe we caught that one. Don't remember. But we like this short side of the market today because never got any buying going to the upside, and you can see right down here in this pane that the large trader was on the short side and stayed there with the peak selling coming right here in this area. So we had a 01 to 96 buy starting out. That was buy 1. And then a 86 to 91, our second buy area, and it took a while to get down there, but eventually we did. So the market basically sold all day. No news tomorrow. Baker Hughes rig count probably looking at a day like we had today. Lower high, lower low on the F1. Find a place to sell it, and definitely dealing with a B on this screen. Last rotate up stopped at 92. I don't know where we're going to close, but let's just say 89 to 94, sell 1. 99 to 04, sell 2. On the buy side, we'll make it what, that low right there, that low at 81.50. Board here we'll make 80 to 85, buy 1. And 71 to 76, buy 2. No news tomorrow. And if we don't break early, end of the week short covering is where I think we'll probably end up. Treasuries are weak today. Economy strong enough that the Fed will raise interest rates in June. Sell treasuries. That's just the theme, and that's what they've been operating under. So you can see we've got pretty heavy selling today off the F1 screen, and suggests that we'll have more tomorrow. Definitely a B. So 27 to 31, sell 1. It's on the assumption that the Emini doesn't fall out of bed this afternoon. Sell 2, 3 to 7. On the buy side, we'll make 20 to 24, buy 1. And then 13 to 17, buy 2. Looking at the 30-year, last rotate up stopped at 27. We're at 23, so we'll make 24, 28, 1, 31 to 03, sell 1, 7 to 11, sell 2. 16 to 20, number 1. by 9 to 13, by 29 to 01 for buy 2. Gold was lower today. One day up, one day down. Lower high, lower low. Find a place to sell it on F1. We have a P put in backwards, so we had buyers below 45, and we had a seller above 50. So 50, 52, sell 1. 54, 56, sell 2. Buy side 43, 45, buy 1. And 39 to 41, buy 2. No news tomorrow. I don't think we have news internationally scheduled overnight, so probably going to have a quiet trading range sessions tomorrow. Crude finally sold. I think we're headed north of 70. I'm going to guess 75. Everybody's talking about 80, but that seems like kind of a stretch for what's going on right now. But Saudi Arabia told us where we were going to, what their trading targets were. Even though we sold today and finished on the lows, a higher low, higher high, the F1 says find a place to buy it. F2's not going to say that. We're going to have 2 distributions. So 50 to 75 is going to be sell 1. The buck to 25, sell 2. We'll make 68, 67, 75, buy 1. And then 67 and a quarter, 67.50, buy 2. Euro's stuck in a range. I don't see a lot economically written one way or the other on Great Britain or the EU. The Great Britain's economy seems definitely softer than the European Union's. We have an outside day today, so that's trading range. You just kind of see that we're stuck in a range right here, just not a whole hell of a lot going on. Can't push a rope easily. Can be done, but it won't, not with the outcome you want. So last rotate up and J period stopped at 24.08. L period was the buck. So that is resistance 24, 24.10, sell 1. 20 to 30, sell 2. Coming inside, just inside of resistance. On the buy side, 75, buy 1. And 50, buy 2. Well, that does it for this April the 19th. I will see you all bright and early in the morning. Going to make it up to 60 here today as we get the backside of the storm that's dumping snow in Minnesota and Wisconsin and probably the upper peninsula of Michigan. With that said, I'll see you in the morning.